Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into Coinbase now. Do not pause. Once signed in, open Settings and tap Security to reveal sign-in controls. You need your current verification method, phone, authenticator app, or email, because Coinbase will ask for confirmation. Make sure your device is nearby and charged, and that you can complete a biometric or 2FA prompt instantly. Starting here speeds the process and prevents lockout. You will remove the passkey only after Coinbase verifies it is you, and a backup sign. Once in security, find the passkeys or passwordless sign-in section and open Manage Devices. You'll see listed keys. Pick the one you no longer want and tap Remove or Delete. Coinbase requires immediate confirmation. Use biometric unlock, enter a 2FA code, or type your account password so they know it's you. After confirmation, Coinbase deactivates that passkey and prevents it from authenticating. Make sure you have another sign-in method ready so you do not lose access when the passkey is gone. Finish by testing your alternative sign-in, phone number, authenticator, or password so you can log in immediately after removal. If the passkey removal fails or the option is missing, update the Coinbase app, clear browser cache, or try another device. Outdated software often hides settings. If problems persist, gather your account email and recent transaction details, then contact Coinbase support for help. That step ensures recovery without risking funds and keeps your account secure while you switch authentication methods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.